So people ask one question: how to promoting for your videos using for Twitter cast? Suppose coming to any video, this video will be playing for like this. This kind of video will be playing for your Twitter that only possible by the using Twitter cards. When you're creating ads time, when you're creating for number of ads, the enable for Twitter card option. Twitter card. Where you can identify Twitter cards. That is called go to your login profile. In this click for Twitter ads. In the Twitter ads in the right corner, in the Twitter ads right corner, they're showing for tweet post content. Tweet post content option. In this call, compose will be there. They're showing for total 4 type of posting. I tell you the why you are selecting for Twitter cards. When you're posting time, the hyperlink not accepted by your video. So anytime I can promote my video and I promote my website also. When you click here, they go into your website also. They go into your website also. That is called at a time you can promote your website and your video also. That is called you can using for Twitter cards. That only possible by when create your campaign, they enable your Twitter cards option. First remove promote only. Why showing for promote only? When ads will be created showing for promoted by G5. Promoted by G5. So select first select cards. Go to card library. And here is a question. Twitter, how many minutes video will be promotion? Twitter is supporting for any video only for 2 minutes 20 seconds. Only 2 minutes 20 seconds. First select card, video, website card. And first of all, upload your video. Select particular documentation. I'm going to select by my project. In this, I'm select by my video. That video will select by here. After selecting this video, post it. You always remember MOV format or MP4 format will be supported. Just upload video, wait for second. Media could not be upload your video. Unsupported aspect ratio, please. 16:9 aspect ratio. So we'll add it here. So once done by MP4 format, the video going to upload will be here. Just wait for second for uploading your video. In the uploading time, you can add your total, your website URL also. Just I'm selecting for website URL. Then we can promoting for your video and then we can promoting for link also. Click your link. Copy this one. Go to card library. Copy the URL. Same set by your card name. People next time recognize purpose. Create done. Next. Click for see this. Any Twitter posting on any video, they will be play only automatically. Select it. YouTube. Add your Rakesh. Remove this option. Here two options will be access. One is called tweet. Second will be schedule or post. One is called tweet. Second will be schedule your post. Click for tweet. The tweet done. Just go to your home page. Click for tweet page. Click the tweet. Scroll down. See this one. The video coming to here, see automatically play the video. This is called very important from the marketing video along with website. They see video, they click for my website. Two advantages: video views and promote your website. One is called video visually watched by your Twitter profile users. Second will be clicked by your website views. This is called we can using for Twitter cards from promoting our video ads along with the website.